In this tutorial, we will learn how a fill-up can be added and viewed. Fill-ups can be added from the mobile app of any person in your organization, or it can be added from the web page as well. For now, let's see how it can be added on the mobile app. From the main menu, click on Fill-ups. The screen that opens shows all the fill-ups of your assigned vehicles. The admin gets to see all the fill-ups in the organization. Click the plus or the add button in the top right corner. The first time you open, you may be prompted to give the location permission to the app. This is to help the app automatically identify the gas station name. Select the vehicle you're filling for and then fill out details like date, time, odometer reading, quantity, cost, etc. You can also add if this fill up is a partial tank fill up or not. In case of drivers, the driver's name is automatically filled in the filled by section. You can attach receipts to the fill up either by clicking a picture of the receipt or by selecting the receipt from the phone storage. Configure your fill up settings by clicking the Fill up settings icon. Once you're done entering all the information, click Save. Your fill up will be visible on the main fill up screen and the distance driven and efficiency achieved will be calculated by the app. The fill up filled out by the driver can be viewed by the admin or the driver's manager on their respective mobile apps or on the web.